doing that. What's any of these lights? These stage ones up here? I'll pop them on. Could be only light, yeah.
You don't want the colour ones on stage?
Oh yeah, no colours. Because of the...
Oh, they're all coloured ones, yeah. So
leave them off.
I'll put them into the dance floor.
Oh yeah, they could just switch out.
Oh, that middle one. That's getting in the way of the thing.
I try to go back and it jumped back and it jumped back.
I just live and breathe music.
So I try to...
Listen to some of my music today, obviously, because I was off on a nut. I want you to do a cover of one of them.
Oh, you just send me the song and I'll do it. I saw someone wearing a t-shirt the other day and it just had in big bold font, it just said, sick of it all. Swear on my life.
Fuck me.
I couldn't believe it.
That's one of my favourite songs. I'm just
fucking sick of it.
I've got a lot of backlog of songs.
Yeah.
And Rose was saying they'll stick them online and all that stuff. Mate, rock and roll.
Yeah, man.
Shit guitarist. Shut your mouth. All our days is just too complicated. Lyrically, it's just, most people don't fucking get what I want about. Stay Strong we done. What did old skinny bollocks, Glasses drummer say? Stay strong. God, we're not playing the team. Right, you got me back, yeah? Do you want a flash one? Do you want a flash one? A really flash one or like real simple one?
Flash one. Flashy. Flash.
I don't even know how you work a fucking mouse anymore. Right, let's go for the flash one. First time in my life I met someone. Me and Jason get drunk together and we don't cause no trouble. We don't go around fighting people, do we? It's not as if it's like Dad's gonna run out the fucking house and then attack the next door fucking neighbour.
You would. You would.
Yeah, I would. This is actually a good song. You probably pull this off if you did it just acoustically, but you heads up your ass with fucking everything else, isn't it? I don't mean that in a personal way.
Oh, too good.
I'm just listening to my old music and I'm thinking, why did I stop?
You're mental.
Thanks a lot. You mean mentally disturbed or just like mental?
Mental.
Yeah, fucking hell. Guess what? You've got a little daughter called Robin.
Yeah.
And she is mean. Mental as a bat.
I know. Yeah.
Yeah, but she's gorgeous mental. I mean, and I'm sorry that she's McNally, the mad fucker.
Yeah, I know.
You never take favourites, you never do that. She's got the gift. I mean, you don't know what she's going to do. She might get to 18 and end up killing someone.
Yeah, exactly.
No.
Can you hear me?
Well, that was an interesting car ride.
Yeah, fucking hell. Car case, man. In a good way. It's over there.
Did you not sign up to that? No. Someone that you don't know.
Then what are you doing? You coming back tomorrow?
That's alright, if I can do. I can't tell. Keep the bangers coming. Keep the bangers coming.